Hey guys, welcome back to a new tutorial video. In this video I will show you how to replace your image's sky, just one click. There are some example photos before and after using this trick. So guys, without wasting your time, let's jump to the tutorial. First open Luminar. And import the image which you want to replace the sky. Then go to Creative option and click Sky Replacement option and select the sky which is suitable for your image. A fret that makes some adjustment to look your images more attractive. Then go to File and click Export option and click Export. And after color grade your images. Your pic is ready to upload.
And thanks for watching this video. Like, share and subscribe ISNAP for more photography tutorial. See you next time. Have a great day.